in Tamale. A High Court has reversed the decision issuing an arrest warrant for Savelugu MP Jacob Idrisu Abdullahi. The MP was facing charges after some guns were allegedly found in his office. However, after he showed up in court today, the court reversed that decision. Former Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu has been leading a delegation of MPs to solidarize with the embattled MP.
Honorable Abdullahi Idrisu MP, the elected member of Parliament for Savelugu. For good reason, the judge exercised lawful discretion, lawfully and with justification, that he was not convinced of his absence in court on 31st March, and accordingly issued a bench warrant for his arrest. Today, counsel for the second accused person, Charles, prayed the court and prayed my Lord to rescind the decision of the bench warrant. That has accordingly been granted. And certainly, we just want to assure you that the Honorable Jacob Abdullahi is a very responsible elected member of Parliament and would never ever be a fugitive of justice. He probably did not exercise good judgment in the reason he provided to the court, which did not please my Lord. But subsequently, we have to avoid a third occurrence of this, and I'm sure he's accordingly advised. Probably within the realm of the doctrine of separation of powers, beyond being ill and beyond being indisposed, we probably will have to make a strong argument whether parliamentary emergencies cannot be a justification, because that particular day, the Honorable Jacob Abdullahi had to be in Parliament. Law is that there can be no taxation without representation. He had to be in Parliament, in the House of Parliament, to exercise his representative role as Member of Parliament, to vote on some tax legislation. The judge did not find that convincing enough. So that is where the law, we have to see how to evolve our democracy and our jurisdictional law further, in saying that under circumstances of a member of Parliament seeking and wanting to exercise a lawful mandate imposed on him as a representative of the people, he does have an obligation to the people of Savelugu, to the people of Ghana, and in particularly with the distressed economy, to join to support or disapprove of some tax motion. That is why he was unable to attend upon court on 31st March.
Well, correspondent Martina Bugri is joining us now with more on this. Martina, how did the case unfold in Parliament? In court, I beg your pardon.
Today in court, counsel for the MP Charles Rwanda posed an appeal to the court to rescind his decision on the warrant of arrest, which was granted. He also had the opportunity to cross-examine the last witness the prosecutors had put up. In court, he sought to make a case that even though the police had indicated there were many other witnesses, only the four who had moved from Tamale to Savelugu were those who had written their statement and were given testimony in court. He spoke to the media after court proceedings, and he says that he believes it was a calculated attempt by the four police officers to put a blame on their client, and that they don't believe that they actually found those things in the place there. And so basically that's what he put up in court today, and that's all we had this morning.
And we see the former Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu there. Who else has been to court today?
We had a regional party executive. We also had the MP for Tamale North, Alhassan Suyini, who was also present in court to offer support to the MP for Savelugu. I must say that this morning the court premises were filled capacity and outside, even onto the street, because supporters of the MPP and the MP from Savelugu and in Tamale had marched up at the court premises while they were in court.
Martina, thank you for the update.